Welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Class 2nd, subject Maths, chapter number 2, that is patterns. I am Kiran Jagtap. Dear students, we have already learned about the pattern in the standard first. We have seen many things around us. They all are having the different size, shapes and colors. Now recall the flat shapes and the solid shape that we have already learned before this. Dear students, today in this period we are going to learn what are patterns. Here the repeating a shape or a group of shapes in a particular order are called pattern. By using these shapes, we can easily form any types of pattern. These shapes are useful in our day-to-day life. So we have learned the basic shape or plain shape, we can say. The another name for the basic shape is flat shapes. And these are the flat shapes we have already seen: square, rectangle, triangle and circle, and the objects related to these shapes. We have learned the solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. Related to that, we can see the so many objects in our surroundings which we are using in our day-to-day life. Here, observe the following pictures. Here, some shapes we have used to form the pattern here. Number one, rectangle and square. Both the flat shapes I have used here. The first is the red and the second square is the yellow color. So this is the group, first group we can say. The same group I have repeated in the next. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, and red, yellow. So this is what the formation of the pattern by using the shapes, or we can also say the colors. In the second, the circle, two triangles. Circle, two triangles. The first group is circle and two triangles form the one group, and the same group we are repeating to the next to form the patterns. Here in the example number third, here the shapes are same. That is the rectangle, but the different we can also form here. We can say here the difference is the color. First one is the yellow, second one is the pink. Then yellow, then pink. Here the group, number one group is the yellow and pink. Here both the colors we have repeated to the next to form the pattern. Now let us see. To continue a given pattern, following steps we need to follow here. Step number one, observe the first few shapes in the pattern to find the repetition. Step number two, identify the orders in which the shapes or groups of shapes are repeated. Step number three, repeat the same shape or group of the shapes required the numbers of times. In all these, we observe that the groups of the repeating of the groups many times. We have seen the examples of these. So where do we see the patterns in our surroundings? In our surroundings, we can see some patterns on the wall. On the wall, in the house yard. The next, we can see the patterns on the flower pot and patterns on the gate. The next, we can see the patterns in our house, that is the curtain and the bed sheet. These are the patterns are on the clothes, on the t-shirt, even though on the handkerchief. We can see the pattern again on the tiles or on the windows. We can see the patterns. We will see the objects with different patterns here. The pattern on the cups, the patterns on the bottles. The next, patterns on purse, bags and pouch. Now let us see the patterns on the animals also. Patterns on the first picture is of the cheetah. The spots on the cheetah's body, it is also called as a pattern, natural pattern we can see. Patterns on the squirrel. See, the stripes on the squirrel is black and white. Now let us see the patterns again here, the stripes on the zebra. Patterns on the giraffe. Now some patterns also we can see on insects, the patterns on butterfly and honeybees. The patterns on insects like ladybug and stingbug. Dear students, in this video we have learned about What are patterns? Some examples of patterns in our daily life. Patterns on flat shapes and solid shapes. Patterns on objects like flower pot, floor, clothes, handkerchief, curtains, bags, utensils, gate, door, and so on. Even though we have seen the patterns on the animals and insects also. Thank you.